1st. Decorating away. Christmas music playing. Gotta get rid of those. That's not a color that matches. Oh my gosh. But it's messy, but coming along. Organization. We got new couches today, December 1st. We went and picked them out yesterday and they got delivered at 8 a.m., which we're super excited about. They recline, they have lumbar support. This guy pops forward for headrest. Oh my gosh, they're so amazing. Really very excited about it. And it's a really random story on why we got new couches. We actually rearranged for Thanksgiving. I'll pop in some pictures of Thanksgiving and what we did to fit it all inside because it rained here in California. But we moved this little living room area up here and we love it. So we're leaving it. And that left this room down here completely empty. Hence the new furniture that we are so excited about. So I need to get a coffee table and we're gonna do a little accent chair and we're gonna do something right there too. But we just haven't figured out what yet. Sadie. What are you doing? Oh gosh, what are you doing, cutie pie? What are you doing? She just wants to play. She just wants to play. All right, back to decorating. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. I'm gonna decorate that tree tomorrow. This is what I like to call my sentimental tree. And then I'm gonna get little automatic push candles like that guy who turns on with the flick of a switch. Let me show you. Love it. Oh my gosh. So I have a couple more around the house. Those guys turn on and off just with the flick of a switch, which I love. Very exciting. So I just got the basics pretty much. I'm almost done. I'm gonna finish this tree tomorrow too, but I think I'm gonna go with a black, white, red, and gold theme on this tree. This is what I call my decor tree, my pretty tree basically. But I still do love putting up all my old ornaments. So that's why I have that other tree too. I don't have everything lit up yet. I'll be sure to show you when I do, but this is just what I've got so far. Hey baby. This is all the stuff that needs to go away. Tonight, we are going to Snow Day LA, which I've never been to before. We're meeting up with some friends down there, and it should be pretty fun. I'll take you along, of course, and just kind of show you the highlights and if it's worth it, because it's only December 1st. So if you live in the Southern California area, you still may be able to get tickets and be able to go if, if it's cool. Hopefully it's cool. We got the VIP tickets, and it's supposed to come with penguin onesies, which I'm kind of excited about. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm excited to have it. And Matt's going to have one too. And my dream is to find Sadie one so that we could all be penguins and take a picture, and that could be our Christmas photo. Not that I ever get Christmas photos out. I never do. Every year I want to, and every year I don't. Maybe this year will be different. We can try, you can hope. But I have all my makeup done. I'm almost ready to go. We want to leave here pretty fast. I have been just decorating all day long, and Matt's been working on the house and getting Christmas... Sadie. And Matt's been working on the outside of the house, getting lights up and stuff like that. So, just been a busy day, and now we are going to go to LA. So I wanted to show you how I throw my hair together real quick. As you saw, it was in just a bun. I comb it out, I brush it out. I like that it has some natural waves. It'll give me something to work with and make my hair go a lot faster. I'm gonna use some dry shampoo. So I'm just gonna speed through the rest for you just so it doesn't take forever, but so you can kind of see how I pull my hair together rather quickly. And there we go. That's how I kind of just like fix up my hair real quick, teased it, straightened out pieces that needed to be straightened, and sprayed it all over again with hairspray, and that was it. And then I also realized right now that I do not have mascara on, so I'm going to do that when I go inside, or maybe in the car when we start driving there, because that is something you can do if you are running late somewhere. Just do your mascara when you get there. I always have mascara in my purse just in case. Let's go add some earrings, a scarf, maybe a sweater, and put on our boots.
out for it during the week. I'll drop it in there.
Our friend.
I got it in slow-mo.
Snow Day LA, baby.
Look at that.
Look at the joy. You come to this little guy and get your owl or penguin. Come from there.
I might just stay up.
You go all the way up there. Can we go? So apparently we went on the big one first. Now we're going on the mini one. But you have to walk yourself up there. Hi! Blow up log cabin! I don't think this is happening anymore. I kind of think this isn't happening anymore. It's not happening anymore.
It's turned off. Second base.
Hey! Oh, sad day. This one's not working.
$60. Bub kiss.
Bub kiss indeed.
Bub kiss.
Interactive light show? Lies! Going on our third slide, the slide we just went on. I would say VIP, definitely necessary if you're coming here. However, I'm not sure $60 like makes it worth it. There's not really enough to do for $60. And one thing was closed down, which is so sad. So just saying, I mean, it's fun, but it's because I'm with friends. We just got home. I'm just enjoying the view of our lovely tree. And Sadie baby's just right here next to me. Oh my gosh. She's ridiculous. Oh, jeez. Hi, Sadie baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyways, we had a lot of fun seeing our friends. Was Snow Day LA worth it? I mean, I kind of talked about it a little bit while I was there going up the line for the slide, but I mean, the more that I think about it, for the money, I mean, even $12, if you get the cheapest tickets to stand in line for that long, I just don't know that it's worth it for your time. There's just not that much to do. I mean, we had fun. I'm not saying I didn't have fun. I'm just saying that I've done it, and I don't know that I do it again, you know? So it's kind of up to you what you want to do if you're in the Southern California area, but I think there's a lot of other things you could do for the money, especially because we got the VIP tickets, and we did get those onesies that were really fun, the penguin and the snow owl onesies, which are super fun. But I mean, that plus a few slides and getting VIP into those slides, I don't know if that was $60 worth, you know what I mean? So that's all I'm saying. But yeah, night night. See you tomorrow.